Let us look at this example where we divide one polynomial by another. All right? Now, we use long division. We have x minus 2 divided by 2x squared minus 5x minus 7. So we have, this is similar to writing 2x squared minus 5x minus 7 over x minus 2. Remember that? It's the same thing. But anyway, what we have is this, which is the dividend divided by the divisor, which will give you an answer which we call the quotient, plus a remainder, if any remainder is there. But let's see. Remember now, you're going to add the x part here alone. You're going to divide the 2x squared alone by x. So x into 2x squared goes what? It's like you have 2x squared divided by x. X into x, 1 into x into x squared goes x times. So it's 2x. You have 2x, right? Then you're going to have the 2x multiplied by the x and the 2x by the negative 2. Alright? So 2x times x will give you 2x squared. And remember, you line up x squared with x squared. You're going to have x with x. So you line up x squared under x squared, and so on. If there was an x cube, you line up x cube, x under x cube. Alright? So 2x times x is 2x multiplied by the x gives you 2x squared. Then plus 2x times negative 2 will give you a negative 2 2 is 4x. We're saying plus negative 4x is the same as just saying minus 4x. So let's write that. Minus 4x. Alright, that's that. We underline these and subtract. Let me get rid of this out of the way. 2x squared minus 2x squared, that's 0. You could write 0x squared here, but it's not really necessary. 0x squared, you don't need to write it there. Negative 5x minus negative 4x, let's see. Negative 5x minus negative 4x means the same as negative 5x plus 4x, right? Which is negative 1x, which is negative x. So it's minus x. Good. Now you have a plus invisible 0 here. So you don't just subtract this and this, you subtract this as well. So you say 7 minus, negative 7 minus 0 is negative 7. The same as saying that you bring down the negative 7. Alright? You will subtract it from, subtract 0 from it. Now, here, we're going to divide again, because what we have is a negative x here. The power of x is 1, the power of x is 1. Right? So let us divide. X into negative x goes negative 1 time. Then the negative 1 we multiply the x and we multiply the negative 2 as well. So negative 1 times x is negative x. And remember, again, you have negative x and negative x. You must have the same things line up there. Just like how here, you must have the same things line up for the highest power of x, or the one to the left here, in this case. And then you say, negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. We subtract negative x minus negative x. It's negative x minus itself, so that's 0. What about negative 7 minus 2? That's negative 9. Alright? Negative 9. Now, what this means is that 2x squared minus 5x minus 7 divided by x minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 1 as the answer. And the remainder is negative 9, because this is the remainder. You cannot say x into negative 9. Negative 9, is mean negative 9x to the 0. X, once you have a smaller power of x down here than this, then you stop. Alright? You stop dividing. Now, let's compare this with something else. Suppose you had, say, 13 divided by 5 equal what? 2, and the remainder is 3. Alright? Now this is the same as saying 2 plus 3/5. Okay? Because the thing is, if you put 2 over 1, draw the line and find the LCM using fraction, 1 into 5 was 5 times 5, 2 is 10, plus 5 into 5 was 1 time 1, 3, 3. So again, you get 10 plus 3 over 5. Question is, could you do it the same thing with this? Saying that it is equal to the 2x minus 1 plus the remainder. In this case, the remainder was 3 over the divisor 5. But in this case, the remainder is negative 9 and the divisor is x minus 2. So could that work? Let's see. What you have here is 2x squared minus 5x minus 7 over x minus 2 is equal to, this would be 2x minus 1. The remainder is negative 9. So you could say plus negative 9 over the divisor x minus 2. Right? Is the same thing as saying the 10 over 5 is 2, remainder 3, same as 2 plus the remainder over the divisor, right? Remainder over the divisor, the thing that is doing the dividing. Same thing here. Now, is 2x minus 1 plus negative 9 over x minus 2 the same thing as what you have over here? Let's try it out and see. Suppose we put 2x minus 1, say over 1. We draw the line and find the LCM here. LCM of 1 and x minus 2 is x minus 2. And then we say 1 into x minus 2 was x minus 2 times x minus 2 times 2x minus 1. Fractions now is x minus 2 times 2x minus 1. You see that? Plus x minus 2 into x minus 2 goes 1 time. 1 time negative 9 is negative 9. Let's multiply these out and see what happens now. X times 2x, that gives you 2x squared. X times negative 1, that is negative x. Negative 2 times 2x is a minus 4x. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. Plus negative 9, which is minus 9. Alright? Over x minus 2. Now what do you get? 2x squared. So we have a 2x squared. Negative x minus 4x Negative 1x minus 4x is negative 5x. 2 minus 9 is what? Negative 7 over x minus 2. Let's see, compared to it up here. 2x squared minus 5x minus 7 over x minus 2. 2x squared minus 5x minus 7 over x minus 2. Right. So we just did that to show that it is indeed correct. Alright. Now here you have to practice the division of polynomials quite a lot. Alright? To get a lot of practice in this. So what I want you to do now is try this again without looking back at this video. Write it down and try it. Alright, so that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.